that you've been through. He was there right beside you, helping to guide you and let some light through. I'm just here to remind you, you're gonna be alright. Just hold on.